Welcome to I Like Signing Songs. Want to help your toddler communicate before they can talk? Let's learn some animal signs. ASL keyword sign dog. Let's try dog. One more. Dog. ASL keyword sign cat. Let's try cat. One more. Cat. ASL keyword sign cow. Let's try cow. One more. Cow. ASL keyword sign sheep. Let's try sheep. One more. Sheep. ASL keyword sign horse. Let's try horse. One more. Horse. You're doing great. ASL keyword sign pig. Let's try pig. One more. Pig. ASL keyword sign duck. Let's try duck. One more. Duck. ASL keyword sign bird. Let's try bird. One more. Bird. Fantastic work. Keyword sign fish. Let's try fish. One more. Fish. I love that word. Nice signing. ASL keyword sign lion. Let's try lion. One more. Lion. Let's go through them again together. Dog. One more. Dog. Cat. One more. Cat. Cow. One more. Cow. You're doing great. Sheep. One more. Sheep. Horse. One more. Horse. Pig. One more. Pig. Fantastic work. Duck. One more. Duck. Bird. One more. Bird. Fish. One more. Fish. I love that word. Lion. One more. Lion. Should we try that again? Now, a little bit faster. Ready, steady. Dog. Cat. Cow. Sheep. Horse. Pig. Duck. Bird. Fish. Lion. Nice signing. Well done, everyone. You did so well today. Come back for more singing and signing with I Like Signing Songs. And don't forget to like and subscribe, please.